We are just not ready. The sentiments of some Westmoreland residents as they contemplate on what lies ahead this hurricane season. Now, we visited sections of eastern Westmoreland where the eye of Hurricane Melissa made landfall last year. And from all indications, there's great anxiety among residents. Here's Kimberly Petty with that report.
This is the lived reality for some residents in eastern Westmoreland, where the eye of the hurricane passed over just 7 months ago. From tarpaulins to tents, they are displaced. And with June 1 being the start of the hurricane season, many of them are worried. Forecasters are predicting a below average hurricane season with a possibility of 8 to 14 named storms. Of those, 3 to 6 are forecast to become hurricanes, including 1 to 3 major hurricanes. But if any of these systems were to hit Jamaica, there are a group of residents in Westmoreland who are at risk of being in the same position, or even worse, than they were when Hurricane Melissa hit last year. This tent is where O'Brien Green, a resident of Belmont in Bluefields, calls home. This has been his new reality ever since Hurricane Melissa destroyed his house 7 months ago. Here he squeezes himself in as he showed us where he lays his head nightly.
Well, I come out of hit on the head. Take me live. I'll tap on him first. But I need the tree. Yeah. So I need some help.
Carlton Lawson has been living in this board house for years, but Melissa's wrath has left it in a horrifying state. Fallen doors, wrecked furniture, forcing him to live under his neighbor's cellar.
Bad man, me not gonna like that. You know, say me did have my place and I lose it. So at least, as me I say, any assistant come up forward and know me, I love it. I swear to God.
We also met Maxine Lawson. Scrolling through her messages has become a new pastime. She's been anxiously awaiting a notification about her application for a roof grant.
I'm feeling very sad, very not able to finance my problem with my house. I really don't have that help, and not working at the moment.
And for those who can't wait, they've opted to take materials from the hardware on credit, even without knowing how they'll make the payments. They're, however, clinching to hope that everything will work out.
So I have to trust some material to help me and go on till them know what can happen otherwise. So we want some help from somewhere or another, you know, if they want to do it, if. So I'm wishing and hoping that something might happen.
The residents were hoping that they would have been in a better position than they were last hurricane season, but building back stronger for this new season has been nothing but a pipe dream. Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.